I see you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So for today, we are going to be going to Laredo. My baby does have a doctor's appointment today. It is Wednesday, April 11th. She is wearing a dress that Remy and Jessica bought for her, my cousins. Well, my cousin and her husband bought for her first birthday. She looks so cute. I will show you guys what she looks like as soon as we get to wherever we're going first. Her appointment isn't till 2, but if you guys saw yesterday's video, you guys know that I want to get things for my kitchen. I need to get more like pops of yellow. Just keep in mind, guys, that my vlogs are always numbered. So if you guys ever want to go back and watch a video, they're always like in order. Still getting some fancy new subscribers. So I just wanted to put that out there. So yeah, but we're gone. We're going. Say bye. Bye. Get several things today to sort of decorate my kitchen. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you guys saw yesterday's video, you guys would see that I just put these curtains up. I'm hoping that I can get them cut. My mom agreed to help me do that, or she's not gonna help me, she's probably gonna do it because I don't know how. I did get several pieces to decorate, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys everything that I got. I think it's gonna look super pretty, and I think I got several like good pieces. I'm just gonna show you guys everything I got. So the first store that we went to after her doctor's appointment, it was like the quickest doctor's appointment she's ever had. We were literally in there for like 2 minutes, and then they called us in. They weighed her. She weighs 25 pounds. The doctor saw her or whatever real quick, and then we were out. When we got there, there was no one there, so it was like a super good appointment day. So right after that, we headed over to Chick-fil-A, you guys saw, and then we went to Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to show you guys the things I got there. This is like the piece that I'm totally in love with, and I'm going to see first. Damn, it's not going to fit. I'll figure out where to put this, but this is one of the only sign that I got. It says "Bless This Kitchen," and it does have some like lemons. So that's like my pop of yellow. I don't know. I'm probably gonna put that like up here. So that's one of the things that I got. And then I got these, like, what are these? I don't know, but they're yellow. So I got these. They're super duper cute. And then I got some sunflowers. I got large sunflowers. And then I got some smaller sunflowers. And I also got, I don't know what kind of flowers these are, but I'm gonna put like, I'm gonna mix them. And so they're gonna look like this. Obviously, like, not this full because I still have to trim it, but you guys get the idea. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do that too. And at TJ Maxx, I bought these hand towels that I'm gonna try to use for just decoration, but knowing my husband, he's gonna come in from barbecuing outside and he's gonna dirty these. So it has a lemon, and then this is just gray with yellow and white. It's a 4-piece. This is just gray and it has a yellow line in the bottom. And then the last one is gray with yellow lines. So I thought this was perfect. I paid $7.99 for these. This sign was 20 bucks, but I think it was 40% off. And the flowers were 50% off. These were $7.99. The small ones were $5.99, as well as the white ones. And then these jars were $5.99 each. And then we went over to Walmart. And at Walmart, I found these that have little pineapples to match the little pineapple that I bought day before yesterday. I don't remember, but these are just gonna like match that. I also got Grecia this Cetaphil Gentle Body Moisturizer because she is getting like little rough spots on her body. It's just dryness. So he told me to get her this moisturizer because it was supposedly really good. And then she is wearing this super cute dress. Just has a powder, perfume, lipstick, and sunglasses on it. Yeah, she got so many compliments today. But then I walked over to Carter's and I bought her the cutest little shoes. And as soon as I like put them on her, she didn't want me to take them off. She started telling me shoes. So like she kept them on or whatever. But look at how cute. Are these not the cutest shoes in the world? They're freaking cute. Yeah, they're super cute. Oh, okay, I won't show them. I won't show them your shoes. So of course, because she got new shoes, I had to buy her matching clothes. So of course I hit up Walmart because Walmart has the cutest clothes and the cheapest, not quality and price. So I got her these little pink shorts. I got her some teal ones in 18 months, and then I got her this little shirt that says Mommy and Me. It's just a spaghetti strap. This one, it just says love, and this little mermaid looking one to match her shoes. So now I'm going to attempt to do these flower things. I hope I don't mess them up. I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to do that real quick. Say a prayer. guys, so I just finished making my little flower arrangements. So this is what they ended up looking like, and I love them. They look so cute. I even had extra flowers, so I ended up putting them into the arrangement that I had in my kitchen. And now I'm gonna go ahead and decorate like my kitchen. Duh. I need your opinions once again. Are you ready? So these are the little itty bitty pops of color that I found today. I'm thinking of leaving the pineapple there where it's at. Or should I put that flower pot over here in this corner? I feel like this is a corner nobody ever really sees. It's usually just from here on. So I don't know if I should put that sign on top here once we replace this, or if I should leave it there. Now if I leave it there, should I put it above the stove? Should I hang it right there? What do I do? And then I put my other sunflowers over here, and I have my hand towels, my pot holders and stuff. I love the way this looks. This is probably like my favorite thing so far. I think tomorrow I'm gonna take off the curtains to take them to my mom to see if she can trim them for me. A lot of you guys have been telling me to just leave the ones like this one on top, but I don't want to just have that one up there. I want to try to make this work as much as I can because I really want to have both of them. So if cutting them, I like the way it looks, then I'm going to keep them up. I think that once I trim them, they're going to look so much better. And like everything else, like the little pops of color, I'm liking so far too. So let me know what you guys think of the kitchen so far. You're so cute. It's Lechita, it's not Awa. Bye. Perfect. The red in her hair. Nice shoe. Are you dancing? Dance, dance, dance. Dancing, dancing. Dance, baby. Dance, dance, dance. Ooh-hoo. I'm sitting here eating dinner. I just made like something super simple. It's just lettuce with flower seeds and some leftover grilled chicken that I had from the other day. But what's the matter? Up. Say up. I'm trying to put y'all on a Coke can. There we go. Oh, big girl. You want some pollito? So, I just want to say real quick, because I'm getting a lot of comments. I always tell you guys that your opinion counts. It matters, right? But I just want to tell you guys, I will not hate you because you tell me that you don't like the curtains. Or, like, I'm not going to be mad if you tell me that you don't like them. At the beginning, I didn't either. Honestly, I told you guys. And like I said a little while ago, I'm trying my best to make it work because I feel like it is too much. But now that I've added more things like throughout the kitchen, I feel like I can leave them. So I just wanted to put that out there. Like, I make the videos to show you guys, and then like you guys are entitled to your own opinion. Like, I'm never gonna take that away from you guys. But I thank you so much for not being like rude or anything. and just being like, well, those curtains are ugly, you know what I mean? So I really appreciate it that you guys are like, yeah, right? Don't you wish you could hug them? I just want to hug you guys because I feel like all of y'all are my friends. Yummy. Can you say I love you? That's yummy ranch. So I just got off the phone with my mom. I did put that sign above the stove, and I love the way that it looks there. Also, baby, I'll show you guys what that looks I'll show you guys what that looks like right now. And then I also told my mom that I'm gonna go back to Hobby Lobby and look for another sign to put above the curtains where I really wanted to put that sign, because it's just too small and I feel like that's the perfect spot for it. So I'll show you guys that once I'm done eating. But you want to taste this? So I'm just gonna finish eating my food. She already ate, right? But she comes and steals my food, so it's okay. When do I finish? Perfect job, baby girl. Okay, so now I can show you guys what I did. I added this sign right here, and I think this is the perfect spot for it. I honestly cannot wait for Bert. Look, I'm all written on because Grecia wrote on me. For him to fix that little part there. I'm dying to like paint it and cover it and stuff. But that sign is gonna go there. So I think it's looking pretty spiffy. And so far, that's it. I am gonna go ahead and turn in. Go to bed already, because it's already 10. So I'm gonna start editing this video, and hopefully I can have it up for you guys early tomorrow, because I've gotten so many snaps and you guys are like, you guys cannot wait. I cannot wait either. I just want to show you guys already. So thank you guys again so much for watching, for subscribing, for being supportive, for helping me with your ideas and stuff like that. I really, really, really appreciate it. So I will go ahead and let you guys go. I hope you guys have a good night or a good day whenever you're watching this, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Say bye, mama. Good job. Bye guys.